remember that one of my friends told me there's a schools, IT schools, and I can go and try for myself. And of course I wasn't sure, and I started doing research about the schools, and of course there was several choices, but I chose Techtorial because I have a couple friends who graduated from this school. I chose to work as a QA because I remember in a school when I told my computer teacher said that there is a programming language, and I was so interested, and I started learning the C++, but I know that in that age I wasn't really serious, and I couldn't learn too much. And when I moved to US, one of my friends told me that I should go and try for myself, and that's why I decided to work as a QA. Techtorial Academy really helped me very well since the Techtorial is open 24/7. I could come every time whenever I want, and even after the classes I could stay and ask help for the mentors. They were really helpful since our classes started at 9 to 2, but after class I could stay and ask for help because they were here like until 8 to 9 p.m. Previously I studied international relationships, and I never had IT background. The IT background I had is just like the C++ I learned when I was 14 years old, but it wasn't really serious. And yeah, I am happy with my position. Like, I'm so happy that I came to the school and decided to be a QA, because in my current position I feel myself more happier than I ever been. Yeah, I would recommend to come to this school, not just because it's a Techtorial school, just to change your life and become a QA, because it's really cool position.